Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting the next kitchen remodel project. In this remodel, we widened a door opening in the bearing wall, so we installed a drop bearing beam. In doing so, we were able to open up the kitchen and dining area to the living room and add an island with seating to this kitchen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Enjoy the video. Here are some photos of the kitchen prior to demo. Here is the first day of demolition. We started by removing everything from the kitchen. We have started to remove the bearing wall that separated the kitchen and dining room from the living room. Here is another perspective of the room. This is standing in the living room. We built a temporary bearing wall while we made the opening of the original bearing wall larger. This was before we installed the bearing beam. The bearing beam has been installed and the space is now opened up. The electricians are doing the rough-in on this day. Now it is time for the plumber to come in and do the work behind the walls prior to drywall. The drywall has been patched and repaired, and we are ready for paint. Paint has been complete, and now the hardwood floors are getting installed. They are UA floors, Old Charleston Topago hickory, and they are 5.5-inch wide planks. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to see the completed kitchen in the next video.